everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you honey mustard pork chops. Very tender, very juicy. Within half an hour, you have your delicious pork chops ready. So I'm going to show you today how to make delicious honey mustard pork chop. Super yum, super juicy. Very delicious. Without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. The ingredients we need: 3 boneless pork chops, and these are washed. Prior to using it, get a paper towel. Make sure that they are nice and dry. Get a plate, and we're going to make sure that they are pat and dry. I wash with the cold water. So I'm using 3 boneless pork chops. What ingredients I'm going to use, I will list under the description, so please check it out. So we're going to use salt, and black pepper. Just massage it. And now we're going to flip them over. And same thing, salt and pepper. Once the pork chops are nicely seasoned, just turn it over like this. We're going to use it salt and pepper on the sides. You always use salt according to your taste. First we're going to pan fry these, and now we're going to go on gas. Get a fry pan, add olive oil, 2 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon butter. As the butter started to melt, add pork chops sideways. Have the fat on. On high flame. Cook it for 1 minute until it changes the color. You see, it starts to change the color. And now we're going to turn it over. So you just do it for 1 minute. This is good. And now we're going to cook 4 minutes on this side, and then we're going to flip them over. And then we're going to cook additional 4 minutes on this side. Tilt the pan and get some oil, just like this, and put it on top. It's exactly 4 minutes, and if we check now, look at that beautiful texture, nice color. So we're going to turn these over. Look at this. Four minutes on this side. We're going to prepare the sauce. This is ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Mustard, we're going to use 1 tablespoon. and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be honey mustard sauce. Cooking for 4 minutes on this side, and if we look at the bottom, look, it's beautiful. We're going to pull these out. We're going to use the same pan. On the same pan, we're going to bring the sauce and bring your gas on a low. So mix it. After mixing it, just to give it like a 20-30 seconds, within a half minute, ginger garlic paste is cooked, and now we're going to add the pork chops and turn up the gas. I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Give a good stir. Now we're going to turn them over like this. Oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we'll place this one in the oven for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to turn them over. Oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to keep it for 20 minutes. So I'll open it. And the whole pan will go in the middle. So we're going to keep it for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to turn them over and then I'll share with you. Exactly 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I flip these over. They are all done. Look at the bottom side. We pan fried 8 minutes. 4 minutes on each side and 20 minutes in oven. Let me share with you. It's very tasty, delicious honey mustard pork chop. Please try it and you're going to like it. I'm going to cut it. Look at it. Very tender, juicy honey mustard pork chops. Very juicy. I have my serving plate ready and let me share with you. Prior to serving, add some lemon juice. This is perfect. Some parsley flake. Please try it and you're going to like it. Delicious honey mustard pork chop. I hope you like this dish. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.